Hello. Can you see me? I can't see me. Anyway, hi. There's nobody on right now, but I'm gonna talk like there is. Hi, I'm Maisha Williams, and if you don't know, I'm the founder of STEM Girl Social Network, an online platform where we have classes and workshops where we teach young women and older women, not older, mature, seasoned women, the basics of technology. So one thing we really like to teach is web development, coding. We do ACT prep, and math and science. So I just decided to do a YouTube live HTML tutorial. We have a few web development workshops coming up, and I wanted to give you a preview of my teaching style. I wanted this to be guided by people who got on the line. We're going to see if people get on the line, but if not, I'm just going to go through some basics. You may have taken my 5-day challenge. Shout out to the people who taken my 5-day challenge. And if you have, thank you so much for doing it. I'm going to clarify some things, do some intro, and I'm going to go through a sample project. It's going to be really quick because I just want to show you some things that might answer some questions. But basically, I'm going to go through a sample project and some slides. So check us out. First of all, these slides. So I'm going to stop broadcasting me, and I'm going to share my screen. Okay, so a girl's guide to HTML. So like I said, STEM Girls Social Network, we want to help girls and young women overcome their anxiety of STEM by putting them in educational settings for women by women. So here's me. You don't need that course syllabus. We're not going to go through this whole course, but if you took my 5-day challenge, you went through this. So in my video course, I had another platform, but for teaching purposes, to make it really simple, we're going to use thimble.mozilla.org. Let's see what we got here. Okay, so Thimble. You need to create a username, email, and password, and start a new project. Create an account and sign in. Terms to know, they are deleted for some reason. So what is HTML? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language, a language for describing web pages using ordinary text. Allows for website creation. So HTML, I like to call it, if you have a paper, it's like the backbone of the paper. It's the structure of something. It's the skeleton of the website. The content of the website is written in HTML. So any content you see, words, pictures, form fields, like things you put information in, would be done in HTML. So you have to know a little bit about tags. HTML tags are hidden keywords within a page that define how the browser must format and display the content. Most tags have two parts, an opening and closing part. So most of you have gotten through that. Okay. And I'm going to go to Mozilla. I'm going to sign into my account. Maisha Jahan. Okay, so I had an HTML class demo. Let's get fancy and create a new project. Let's get crazy. Okay, so Thimble, what's nice is the skeleton of the web page is already written for you. Let's see if I can change these settings, color thing. Yeah, Let's do that. Okay, I like it like that. I like it like that. Okay, anyway, so here's a skeleton of an HTML document. Let's see if I have it here. So we have, and really how it's formatted, we have the HTML tags. You put HTML tags in your document to just let the document know that you're about to write in HTML. It's like telling your paper that you're about to write in English, right? So I'll tell you about what I'm doing now. So you have an opening HTML tag and a closing HTML tag at the bottom of the screen. Then you have your head tags. Your head tag is like the head of the paper. So you have all your title information in there, the author, things like that. Things that aren't the body of the paper, but are important for identifying your paper. And then you have the body. Everything that goes in the document, all the important things, everything that shows up in the screen is in the body. Why did you like indent these in? It's called nesting. So nesting tags. I never explained this too properly, so let me get this. But this is the outside nest, right? This is the most important HTML outside. So when I indent because I went a level down and put a head tag, right? And then I go another level down and put the title tag. Now I have to close that head tag. And when I close that head tag, it's still inside of the HTML tags, right? And as these are lined up, the head tags are lined up, they're going to be like this in the document. So now the body tag, I'm opening the body tag, is still under the HTML, but it's the same like importance as the head. So I indent the body tag, you know, body's right under head. And then I close the body tag. These are, so the head tag is nested inside of the HTML. The title tag is nested inside the head. The head and the body tag are nested inside the HTML. HTML is nested inside nothing. All right. And then Command Z. Notice how I close the body tag before I close the HTML tag. All right. So see, we got HTML up here, HTML out at the bottom. It's easy and kind of easy in this little situation because when you click on a tag, it shows you what it's lined up with. And it's kind of cool because I can delete that and we got a problem. Houston, we got a problem. It lets us know. So there we go. So let's talk about some tags. We're not going to pay attention to this right now. We have the HTML tag, like I said, right? And that's an easy way to see how stuff is nested too. Press on these arrows, nest, whatever inside it. Okay, so we have the title, Made with Thimble. Let's call it My First Project, okay? Not going to worry about this right now in this lesson. We have the closing head tag, the body, welcome to Thimble. Notice how My First Project doesn't show up on the screen. Only thing that shows up on the screen are things between the body. So we're going to do a H1 tag. H1 is like the first level of header. We should have seen that in the 5-day challenge, and I'll put that in there for people. My first website. In there for people. I'm trying to see if anybody's watching. I can't tell. Oh, there we go. Nope. I'll keep on. But my first website. Okay. So we have my first website. I'm going to add, so we have the header, then underneath the header, we have paragraph tags. So every time we want to make a paragraph, we put an opening P tag, closing P tag. We want to do the body. Remember, the body is the opening body tag and closing body tag. So we got the H1. what will happen if we did H2, which is the second level of header tag? This is what I want you to know. Okay, so let's see what happens over here. Nothing. H2, H2, this is what I want you to know. There we go. So this is header 1, and this is header 2. Make something amazing with the wet. They put strong tags around here to bold it. We're not going to learn that. We're going to learn CSS later to do the formatting. We don't want to do any word formatting in HTML. We want to do it all in CSS. Okay. So I added a paragraph. I'm going to add another paragraph underneath H2. Paragraph tag. And so I want you to know the world. Okay. There we go. Cool. We're going to add in a picture. We're going to add in a picture. This is just like, I'm just showing you a lot of random stuff right now. But IMG SRC equals take a selfie. No, what could, right? Why not? Why not? Why not? So you're gonna put a selfie in there. Select selfie. That's like a new, usually you would, you know, I'll show you. Okay. Let's see what happens. There's my selfie. Yay. Okay. So let me show you how to insert a real picture. You need to do image search equals. You need to have these quotation marks. They're super important, and then close. So image is one of the only ones that doesn't have a closing tag. It's called self-contained. So close this up. So we're going to search for pictures of flowers. My left stroke just went viral. Excuse me for the kids. View image. Copy. You need to have licensed pictures when you're really doing something, but this is just for practice. So I put the link of the image in there. I refresh. And yo, we got flowers. It's too big. So we're going to do height equals 300, and that sizes the photo for us. There we go, there we go, there we go. There we go, there we go. Okay. Alrighty. There we go. Okay, pictures. What else can we add? Viewers, any questions? Any questions? I don't think I even have any viewers yet. So there we go, there we go, there we go. Let me think. What else can I do? Images. Oh yeah, links. How to put links in here. So let's do a link up here in this paragraph. I like to search. Let's do Google. So I like to search Google. We're gonna make the word Google link. Ahref www.google.com. All right, so A closes. You got an Ahref, so A is like, you know, our opening tag. It has to be a href equals quotation marks and the hyperlink address in the quotation marks, and then closing tag here, and then closing A. So what people, so I got that there. You don't see Google, right? I like to search blank. That's because you need to put something in between the carrots for you to be able to press on. The hyperlink is there. It's just nothing to display because you didn't put anything between those carrots. People always do that. Okay, so I'm gonna use it to like stop selecting this for a second. Okay, there we go. And Google, I like to search Google. You see how it's a link now? I can search, I press it, goes to Google. Dope. All right. What else do we need to know? We got pictures. You know, that picture's too big. I'm going to make it 200. There we go. So we have that. Yay, we're working on something now. We're going to learn some CSS, learn how to style it. Okay, what do we have? What did I do? Blank base. It's not super important. And my computer froze. Excuse me, y'all. So I'm gonna stop doing that. Okay. So we're going to do up here. I'm going to erase this paragraph in header 2 because I don't really care about it. And we are going to I didn't erase all of header 2. Okay, so we're gonna, in this paragraph, do we need to read a paragraph? Talking to myself. Okay, so we're going to do, let's do list items. So we're going to do ordered lists, which is OL, and then we're going to do list items. So OL lets the computer know we're doing an ordered list. List items are the items on the list. We're going to do H2, and we're going to do shopping list. Okay, and then we're going to do bread, and then every time we put another list item, we have to do a LI. Milk, LI, water, I said shopping list, right? Toilet paper, because we know that toilet paper is important. Shopping list. Bread, milk, water, toilet paper. Bread, milk, water, toilet paper. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So then we have an ordered list. Let's do an unordered list, which means like bullets. Ordered list is numbers. All I had to do is make it an unordered list. Is voila, change the O to a U. There we go. Bread, milk, toilet. Okay. I should make a song out of that because like rappers make songs out of anything and they make money. My smile is kind of cute, but it's okay. So yeah, there is, what do we have here? What problem do we have here? Okay, so body is lined with body. If this is pink, that means like something is not closed. So some tag is not closed. You gotta like always search, look out for that. Okay, image search, body, HTML. Image search, it goes along with that. UL, H2, closing P tag, opening P tag, opening A tag, P tag, H tag. You can just click on it, make sure they have a match. Make sure, oh, UL. There we go. No, the UL tag didn't have a closing slash, so that should be fixed. There we go. Showing a little debugging, which is super important. Okay, so now we're gonna make this a half-an-hour lesson. Look how much you learn in half an hour. How many people learn this much in half an hour? Look, you got a whole make no sense website. Makes absolutely no sense, but you know, we're learning something. So what we're gonna do next is we're gonna add some forms, Okay, so that means let's delete this. Form is another form of body, like you have form and body tags that kind of go on the outside of things and go inside them. I don't think I have form tags memorized. No, so let's look in here. Because I don't really use them, Okay, input type text. So we got input type equals text. So sure. So we do input type equals text. What the heck? I'm gonna copy it. We can talk about what BR is. Wait, sure, what is BR? What is the BR there? Okay, so input type equals text. Our input type is text. That means our input field is going to be a text field. Name equals first name is just the name we're calling this text field. Placeholder means like it's going to be a gray shaded name inside of our input field. And I'm just identifying the name of this input field. So I'm calling this first name, and that listed on the outside. So I don't know if you can see down there, but and notice like at the bottom I have my roommate calling me. Hold on. Hello? Yeah. Mm-hmm. No, that's okay. Thank you. All right, I'll see you. All right, see you soon. All right. So sorry about that. I thought it might have been something important. But she's so sweet. She was asking me if I wanted some food. But yeah, so we have first name there. And you know, I think that's good for a half an hour lesson, right? We got how to make a link, how to put an image, how to put a header, how to put a paragraph, and how to put a form. And we did how to size an image as well. So like you see how this is content. This is not really a pretty website, right? You use CSS to make it pretty, and we can learn more about that later. So I hope you liked my quickie lesson. I know it was really quick to go through, but I'll link at the bottom to my 5-day challenge where I go step by step through each of these things and teaching them to you with slides and videos as you can code along. And that would be more helpful. This was more like just kind of follow up for people who took the 5-day challenge if you didn't. And also remember, I have some classes coming up that I'll also link to in the bottom. We have coding and cocktails, we have women's fall coding boot camp, and we have a girl summer camp. So check out all of our programs, and I will talk to you soon. I guess I should have said that here, right? But I hope you enjoyed our first mini lesson, and I will talk to you soon.